What's up, everybody? It's Neo Gamer. and
Where'd you go?
And yeah, I kind of fell off the cliff, and now I'm in a gate. But yeah, guys, this is Neo Gamer. Welcome back to a new series of Pixel Gun.
What's up, dudes?
I'm here with my brother Brian, and today we're going to be starting a new series. But guys, do not be alarmed. I will continue. I will be continuing the Minecraft adventure. Brian,
Yeah?
I found a room with everything like upside down, and there's papers floating.
Hey, if you ever go out in the courtyard and go and find, if you go into the courtyard and you walk to left or right and go to find a gym locker room, don't go into it.
Okay, a courtyard gym locker room.
Trust me, you would not want to go into it. Oh, you walk into it.
I didn't walk into a locker room.
See the room I'm walking to?
Oh.
It was in here.
That's not really a locker room.
Yeah, it is. Because look, see?
Knife battle, Brian. Melee.
Melee?
Yeah, melee. Yeah.
I have more experience with my knife.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
There's a mode.
More melee, let's go.
There's a mode like it's like a.
All melee.
No, it's like a Hunger Games.
Come on, Brian. Let's go. Let's go.
You don't know where I'm at. Oh, you do know where I'm at. Dang it! I was just shooting at you.
Sniped ya.
I could have killed you too.
Oh. What happened?
I don't know. I'm just walking around and all of a sudden I see the one.
Hey, Brian, come here. Watch this. Watch.
Yeah.
Brian, look at me. Right here. Go in the hallway.
What hallway?
Come in the hallway. Oh, don't shoot at me.
I didn't shoot you.
What thing is shooting me?
This. My turret. I told you. Get
rid of your turret.
No.
It's killing me, and I'm trying to show you something funny.
Then don't walk in your head.
Okay, here we go.
Where you at?
I'm trying to come to you. I'm trying to get to the regular hallway, but everything else is mixed up.
Because there's 14 seconds left in this first game.
God dang it, get to the hallway then!
Which hallway?
By your machete! I mean, by your thing!
Okay.
Wrong! Oh my god.
Okay.
Watch.
We'll do the next game.
No, come on!
That was really pathetic. You want to see it come from a real man? Okay, I'm gonna start the next game. Okay, let's start. Okay.
No, dude, I want to do it. I was gonna show you. Okay, meet up in that hallway.
Here.
What the heck? Okay, ready?
No, you don't do it right. You go like this. No, actually, it is like this. You do it like this.
Watch me. Watch.
Oh my god, you would have. You sneezed me into evaporation.
I turned you into ashes.
Ashes, we all
Oh my god. Whoa, I just actually shot someone. I'm gonna put... Whoa. Who's here?
Me.
Who dare?
What? Oh, a machine gun.
Oh.
I placed it. Remember the red hallway?
Yeah.
Don't walk into the red hallway. Whoa, what do you have in your hand?
Flamethrower!
Where'd the flamethrower from?
I want it! Flamethrower! I'm missing every time.
Oh, I'm reloading.
I just sneezed into heaven.
Go!
I sneezed into heaven.
Where did you go?
I sneezed into heaven. I just told you.
Disappeared.
No, Brian, this is disappearing.
Where did you go? You're disappearing.
I'm dead at this point.
Triple kill. You're sneezing to your death, aren't you?
Brian, how about you go into that big red room with the skeletons, and I'll show you sneezing off into heaven. Just take your time.
I'm gonna find it.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the fight. You just say, "Oh, don't worry, they're gonna come kill us." But they
This
can
is
take
an upside down room. I just realized that.
Oh, that's what the room I was talking about.
That's because there's. Oh.
Because there's no.
Kid. Oh. These aren't skeletons. Oh, they are skeletons.
Are you here? Watch.
Wait.
Watch. Ready? Watch. Dude, man, I'm really sneezy today. Oh, oh, I just fell off. I forgot it. Oh, look, I spawned right next to it.
No, you don't do this.
Here I go. You just killed yourself.
Magician.
Where I
magician?
No, watch. Here we go.
Hey, you want to see a magician?
You shot me.
Hey, do you want to see a magician?
Sure. Go.
Okay, wait. Give me a second. It takes a few tries. Okay.
What
There's
the?
one. Okay, now ready?
Huh?
Boom, I'm gone.
Now, Brian, now watch mine. Watch me.
I'm dead.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Oh. Watching.
No!
The noise.
Okay, meet back up in that room. Try to find it. We need to try to redo that.
Hold on.
Dude, where are you going?
I want to go by him real quick.
I saw. Whoa.
Hello, buddy.
Okay, let's find. Where's that red room?
Over here.
Oh, it's that way.
Yeah, it's over here.
I didn't even know.
Right.
Did you?
You go take a left.
Did you hear me, Brian?
You go
I
straight.
didn't even know.
Then you take a right. Then you go this. You go.
Here I go, Brian. Yeah, you have to watch me.
Oh, I'm coming.
Ready? Ready?
Wait.
Oh,
I'm here.
yeah. Would you stop shooting me, dude? You can't. You can't even see what I'm doing.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Stop shooting me, dude.
I'm gonna.
Hum. Brian. Hum.
Buddy, I have like really potential.
Oh, dude, I can't see anything, you turd.
Where you at? Where you at?
Hum.
I didn't know that was a place.
Hum.
Where you at, dude? Come on.
Why not really my answer? Hum.
What is taking you so long?
I'm lost in the school. This ain't a solid school. This is a deadly, freaky school. I can't even know my way. I don't even know my way around.
I know my way around.
Oh, I think I found my way around.
Oh no.
I'm coming.
I'm not gonna stop.
And dude, don't shoot me when I do this,
I became
dude.
invisible.
Okay, watch.
You can't see me.
Oh, I see you.
Can't
You're a
see
big
me.
thing of blocks.
You can't see me.
Okay, ready? Ready? Watch.
Wait, no, I have to see mine first.
Do not do it.
You have to see mine first.
No, dude, because then I have to go. Okay, fine.
I've had bad guys today.
I just see an explosion and then I see you late. Ready?
I'm a ghost.
Ready? You're just a thought. Ready?
I'm a ghost. I commit
Ready?
suicide.
Ready? That's it. Yuffie!
Yuffie?
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, dude, I just snuffed in a snot.
What's not a snot?
I said I just snuffed in a snot. Ooh, bullets. Ooh, booze.
If I'm right, I can jump here and make
This video's only been 7 minutes so far.
You will not know where I'm at ever.
Why are you hanging? Hey, Brian, why are you hanging out? You know what? It's you.
Oh, the bullet came at me in slow motion. That was like a snot rocket. Hey, look, a fan. Look, it's one of my greatest fans.
I don't know. Excuse me. No. No.
You can't see me.
Boom.
Okay, you can probably see me.
Oh crap! I missed.
Ah! Grenade! Oh. Payback.
God
oh, final kill.
Oh man.
How did you get? Oh, you son of a gun! I got like 3 kills, not 2.
They didn't count it.
Shut up.
I spawned near a robot. Oh, you're so dead.
Oh no! Hide me, Daddy, hide! Well, now it became a real horror game.
Never mind, you're free. I don't even know where I'm going.
But you never know. You can run into me any second.
I can run into you any second.
Sorry, I was yawning. Shut up.
Yeah, that's right. I said, shh.
Oh my god! You changed! Ooh, that creepy loud. Did you hear that?
Yes.
I have a knife now.
Boom!
I have a knife now.
I have this.
A knife to meet you.
Oh, you're still alive!
Hey!
I tried to walk off because I thought you were dead.
Daddy, I found some amma. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, beat up in the courtyard. Oh yeah, you're already there. Ooh, phone. Bah. I'm hiding in the corner now.
Get up there. Wait.
Oh, I didn't even mean to use snot bolts for days.
Snowball. Who's gonna leave?
Okay, ready? I'm gonna. Hey. Sorry, guys. She always likes to interrupt videos.
Got you.
My bad, guys. If there's
You're
a lot
bad.
of
What's your bad?
Awesome. No, I got you.
You're sneezing to me to ability and will not kill me. Never mind, me.
Yeah, it doesn't kill you. I just freaking snotted you. You still think? Oh.
What is it, Ippy?
Ooh, a dark red. You say I'm crazy. Oh,
Sam! Oh.
whoa. That is new for me. No, you'll never take me alive. Oh, I'm alive. I landed on the.
No, I'll take you dead, please.
No. I fell off.
No, I wanted to kill you, because if you don't, I won't get the points.
You
Oh, wait, I do get the points.
What?
Every time someone dies, I get the points.
You know what, Brian? Just shut up.
Make me.
Leave me alone. I have a bad allergies and it'll kill you.
You sneezed all over my...
What are you moonwalking? Oh wow. Okay, oh wow, thanks for spawning me here, game. I spawned
another gun.
Huh?
I have another gun.
Cool, I still got my freaking Sneezeabobber. You want to see the biggest sneeze ever?
You steal. Stop it!
I'm in heaven.
You're spinning all over me, seriously.
Achoo.
What just happened? Help me!
You pussy!
I just see your head. Oh! I didn't even know that. I kill you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, sweetie. Oh. Ooh, daddy like.
Daddy doesn't like where Daddy at. Where's Daddy?
Stop looking on my screen, you little freaking idiot.
I'm not looking on your screen.
You found out.
I found out immediately, but I can still kill it because you're right behind me. Oh, it turned my way. Baby, won't you come just... No, actually...
Yeah, you messed up, Brian.
Oh, long grenade throw. And a long kill. And I killed the turret.
You didn't kill me.
Yes, I did.
I'm still alive then. No, right?
Yeah, say again.
Not anymore. Okay, I'm still alive. Just JK.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna be flying to a new world with my Sneezeabobber.
Die! You just disappeared. You're like Houdini.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, slam your fist in the subscribe button, just subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in episode 2 with my brother. Goodbye.
Bye. I did the same
Guys,
thing.
I'm gonna end it off with just one more sneeze.
I